Hi, what are you cooking that smells so good?
Hi Citra, I have a made chocolate cake. Want to try some?
Wow, what a coincidence! I have been waiting to eat something sweet nice this afternoon.
It just come out of the oven. It's still warm.
Thank you so much. It must be delicious.
You are welcome. Enjoy.
Hello, when can we meet for coffee?
Hello. Are you available on Tuesday, August 22?
Wait, so it will be the next Tuesday?
Yes. Hello.
I'm sorry, I'm working at the date about a week from tomorrow.
I cannot. I will be out of town.
Available on Wednesday evening.
Sure. Let's meet tomorrow evening.
Cannot what?